Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about a new makeup brand that I just discovered that has actually transformed my morning routine. Hey guys, what's up? Aina here. I am a virtual interior designer and style coach, and I typically make videos about interior decorating on this channel. However, if you look back at my older videos, you will see that I have gone through a massive style transformation, and that's because I decided to take the same principles that I teach on this channel for decorating and apply it to my skin tone, to my hair color. What kind of jewelry should I be wearing? What colors flatter me? How should I be dressing for my body type? And I took all of that information and used it to change my style. And it literally proves the point I'm always trying to make on this channel, is that even if you think you are not creative, you can learn the design rules and you can become a better decorator, okay? So the value is in the learning, the education, developing an eye, not in the money, okay? So the company is called Merit Beauty, and I first fell in love with it just aesthetically. It's really beautiful. It looks very high-end and luxe, but it's actually at a very accessible price point. And it's all about taking a minimalist approach to beauty. So you can do your makeup in literally 5 minutes, and there's only 6 products you need. And of those 6 products, there's only a few different choices for colors, which I find makes it a lot more simple to get the color that's going to be right for your skin tone. It was started by a woman named Catherine Power, and she is the founder of Who What Wear, and she really wanted a holistic, non-toxic makeup brand that wasn't about covering you up. And that's actually the look that I like personally for myself. And I feel like our lifestyle now is just like a little bit more casual. I just really want my skin to kind of glow, but I don't want to look like I'm ever wearing like a lot of makeup or just heavy pasty makeup. So this first product is the Minimalist. It's a complexion stick. So it's actually not a foundation and it's not a concealer. It's kind of in between. And I found that I could actually just wear this on its own. It has like a really creamy finish. And so you just kind of like apply however much you think you want and then use the brush to blend it out. The brush is like super high quality. I love that. And I use the color Buff, which is like a tan with neutral undertones. I learned that I am a neutral skin undertone, and that information has helped me figure out what colors that I should gravitate towards when it comes to makeup and just clothing in general. As you can see, I definitely have like darker circles under my eyes, and using this complexion stick just kind of evens everything out and sort of just blurs it all, but it still actually looks like my natural skin. It's a very clean, light finish, which is what I prefer. Next up is the brow brush. It's called Brow 1980. It's a volumizing pomade, and I'm using the color brown, which is good for my skin undertones, right in the middle. And I have naturally fine eyebrows, and so I don't like anything too heavy or anything that looks too defined, kind of in the middle. So I find that this brush makes it just really easy to apply. It literally takes like 30 seconds and just gives me a little bit more body, but still a very natural, pretty finish. Next up is their mascara, and I was actually really impressed by how this mascara lengthened my lashes, because the mascara I was using before I felt like didn't do that. I got this in the Perfect Black. I always like to go black on the eyelashes, and that is the only color that they offer in that, which I think black kind of just works with everybody. I've been wearing this literally for weeks, and I haven't had any problem with it smudging. Next up is the highlighter. This is probably the most fun product, and I never actually know where I should be applying highlighter, but what I really like about this is like I always kind of wanted that like ever so slightly wet look, but I didn't know how to achieve it. And so this highlighter just adds that shine, and you can kind of put it anywhere. It's very forgiving, very fun to apply. I literally had to choose from 2 different colors. I did actually think about this because I ordered everything online, and I was like, should I go with the warm or the cooler one? I decided to go with the lighter one. Next up is the tinted lip oil, and I went with the color Pink Beat. There's 4 colors to choose from, and I really like it because I find matte lipsticks dry out my lips, and super shiny just looks too tacky. So this is really right in the middle, super light and feminine, and I love it. And the last part of this 5-minute makeup routine is the Flush Balm. It's the Cheek color, and it's just a cream tint that basically melts into your skin. and just looks super pretty and effortless and fun and easy to apply. This is the final result. I think it looks very simple and elegant, but when you see the before, you're going to see such a big difference. I feel very good and normal and natural in this, and I just absolutely love it. See, here's the before and after, and yeah, you can just see how much my skin is transformed. I still look completely like me. We haven't covered me up with makeup, but I'm definitely a more enhanced, awake, and presentable version of myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Obviously, I am not a makeup artist, but I feel like the before and after is actually pretty dramatic, but I still look like myself. It's still like a very natural, livable, everyday look. So if you are interested in upgrading your makeup look and you're intimidated by having to choose from tons of different products and shades, I do actually recommend this company because they've made it super simple. It's all clean and holistic and minimal, and it's beautiful and it looks super luxe and rich, but the price is actually accessible. It's like kind of normal Sephora prices. So I will leave a link in the description box below if you're interested. I am asked all the time to review different products. I turn down literally 90% of them, but this one I'm super into. It's a new brand, just came out. And yeah, let me know in the comments below what your skin undertone is and if you have any questions about any of the products, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.